YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader FX back with another video. Good morning, good evening, whichever one applies to you. Shout out to all of the new subscribers, man. Y'all running it up for real. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to all those who have been subscribed. All right. Exciting times in the market right now, especially for Vote Inu. Guys, if if you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate it, and I would ask if you could please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, smash the post notification, put it on all so you are aware of every video I post. You don't want to miss out, right? Also, what you don't want to miss out on is a $200 giveaway once I reach 500 subscribers. I'm only 27 subscribers away. Guys, we ran it up since I've only been posting for about a month now, after a 6-month pause, right? And already, and when I started back again, I was at what, 407 subscribers maybe. So we done ran it up, man, in a month. So I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate the feedback. I appreciate the interest. Y'all rocking with me, man. So guys, we're almost close to that 500 subscriber mark. So if you want to participate in this giveaway, make sure you are subscribed. All right. And if you like my videos, smash the like button. Guys, we're going to do technicals on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and of course, Vote Inu, right? Might even throw in Pmpy. I believe is on a pullback, all right, which would be great to get entry points. So we're going to talk about different scenarios in Vote Inu on entry points, which I got to say, guys, disclaimer, not financial advice. This strictly is for educational purposes only. Do your own research. Always do your own research, okay? You never want to invest in something that you are not, that you don't have knowledge on, right? And guys, I want to ask right now that if you could please excuse the noise in the background. My kids are up. It is the weekend. Kind of hard for them to just stay in one spot, especially my two-year-old boy. So guys, we're gonna get to the video. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and see what might be good entry points to add more to the position. Or if you're new and you're seeing that Vote is climbing, do not not financial advice, but you don't want to get in when it's already done pushed so much. You want to wait for a pullback. That is the proper way of investing, because what happens is you'll get a sour taste in your mouth and you see it pushing up, you jump in, and then it starts to have a pullback and you start getting discouraged. You might get scared. You might take your money out. Guys, you only lose when you cash out, okay? For all those holders that held when it was all the way up and to the bottom that it's been, guys, y'all are the real ones. Y'all are the smart ones, okay? Because now, and if you added to your positions while it was in the bottom and you didn't get fearful, right? I'm sure you guys are up, all right? Because Vote Inu is up almost, I think, 130-something% for the week. So we're going to get more to it, man. So enough with the talk. Just remember, subscribe, hit the like button, post notifications set on all. Don't miss on the giveaway. Don't miss on these technical analysis. Let's get to it.
Yeah. I got me some Vote. 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 You should get you some Vote. Fill up your bags. Back up.
All right, y'all. So we got Vote Inu, #1 crypto for Bull Run 2024. The people's crypto. Hit the like button for that, man. Smash the like button. All right. We got Vote sitting at 6 zeros, 7296. Okay. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. I'm waking up and I'm seeing it, tap. If you notice right here, right? I want to point something out to y'all. It literally tapped 7,500, right? 60, 7,500. And then it so far has struggled a bit right there. Okay. All right. Let me show y'all real quick where this orange line is at. So I'm going to move this. So as you can see, it tapped 7,500 to the T. Those of you that watch my videos, we all know that the market likes round psychological numbers, right? Even numbers. 100, 150, 200, 250, 350. I mean 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, so on and so forth, right? So, let me see something. There we go. All right, guys. So, Volt has been pushing strong. And right now, where is it going to stop? Where, right? So that's the question. Okay? It obviously broke through this support, turned into resistance. Okay? Broke through that. I was thinking that, okay, if it didn't push above and close above, that we were going to possibly come back down to retest where it broke out of, right? But the buying pressure, the FOMOing, the hype, everything is starting to build up into Volt Inu, okay? Also with the inflation rate, with the FOMC, it helped a lot to do with what's going on right now, guys, right? So we really don't know how far is Volt Inu going to go before we see a pullback, right? And that's the question we all want to know, right? Especially for those who have missed out on this move, right? For those of you who were fearful and were doubting, all right? And shout out to all you haters. Shout out to everybody who cheated. All right, listen. Just, we was in this range. People were thinking maybe we were going to go out, right? Go up. And look at that, all right? So now we're at a level of another resistance, okay? Where price has given strong wick rejections too, okay? So this is why I have this box marked up, right? It blasted through 6 zeros 5400, closed above, okay? And now it is in this level here. Can we break this level? Can we continue pushing on up, right? Can we continue this? And how far, right? So if it continues to push, then there will be another level that I would think that it might hesitate at, and it would be at right before we lose a zero, right? And this is a clean range, so I don't know. Let's see. Are we gonna end up getting this? Like I said, I like to give multiple scenarios, right? So are we gonna kind of struggle here? Maybe come back down, give us a higher low before continue pushing on up to the next level, okay? Or is it gonna drop all the way down, right, before coming back up, right? That is what we're all waiting on. So if we go down now, this is where I'll go ahead and start going to the lower time frames. For those of you who've been watching and know, man, I know I like to stick to the higher time frames. 12-hour sometimes, daily for sure, and weekly, right? Monthly, really, there wouldn't be much to view at the moment because this is the new chart, the V3, all right? But we're gonna go down to the 12 hours, see what the 12 hours is looking like, okay? As you can tell that this 12-hour here, we had rejected this zone right here, okay, 5,400, and then price tried again and looked like it was gonna come down, but that just opened up where it closed and just shot all the way up and broke through, okay? So now let's go ahead and go even lower, right? Because we're trying to get an idea of what Volt Inu is doing, and this lower time frames are good for times like this because you're in a position to where, all right, you know what? I don't want to buy at the top, right? We want to get the best discount that we can get. So we want to wait for that pullback, right? Not financial advice. This is just something how I look at it, how I enter positions and add and dollar cost average and yeah, so on and so forth, right? That's just me. There's other people that do it differently. They might say, hey, you know what? It's still so cheap. The market cap is so low still. That, you know what, it doesn't matter, I'm buying in, I'm not waiting because this thing can push up, right? Very true. This thing can continue to push up, might not have a pullback, but eventually, guys, we have seen this time and time before that after it pushes for so long, you will get a pullback. You will get a pullback. It's not just going to continue. The question is, how far is it going to go before that pullback? Because a lot of people, when I first got into crypto, I didn't know about bear market, bull market. Before I got into trading markets and all that, right? I wasn't knowledgeable on any of that, right? So when I bought the first crypto that I bought, which was Shiba Inu, it was already towards the end of the bull run, right? The bear market had just started. So what happened is I'm seeing all these social media posts, people posting how much money they're making. I said, well, shit, I want to get in on this. Boom, I took a loss, right? Why? Because I bought at the top while it was pushing. I had fear missing out and not having knowledge or watching other videos or watching other YouTubers help me and guide me in a sense to where, hey, you know what, this is what price is doing, let's wait for this to happen, this and that, right? Y'all get the picture? So when I bought, I took a loss because it pulled back and just kept pulling back and just kept pulling back, right? So there's moments here right now that you could tell in the 4 hour that Vote has tried to pull back, but it just continues pushing on up, comes back, gets close enough to the zone it broke out of, and then pushes on back, all right? Now, we need this 4 hour candle to close very bullish and preferably above 7,500 to continue pushing on up to the next zone, okay? So right now it is on the 4 hour, right? It is an uptrend, guys, okay? Creating highs, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and now creating another higher high, which means we're going to expect a higher low coming soon. Have you noticed this trend right here? See? Now this is on the 4 hour time frame, okay? So I will go now down, since I am looking for a better entry, okay? I'm going to go down to the 1 hour and see how this 1 hour candle closes to then look for a potential entry point, right? That's how you want to look at this, okay? You want to look at this in the sense of, you know what, let me wait. See, if price is rejecting at a certain level, then more than likely it's going to probably come back down. That's when I want to get in on the pullbacks, right? So something similar to what this will look like. We had a pullback, right? Then the next two candles were green. That's good signals. Hey, price could possibly continue pushing back up. And that's how you get into these points, right? So not financial advice, guys, just giving you my personal preference of how I would get into positions and how I would look for a dollar cost averaging opportunity, right? We're looking to gain and capitalize on the move, not when it's already up, all right? So a lot of newbies, that's what they make. They make mistakes because they're not knowledgeable, all right? So that is for Vote Inu, all right? We're going to take a look at Ethereum real quick, see what Ethereum is doing, all right? And Ethereum, guys, has been respecting this uptrend channel. It's currently sitting at 2258, all right? We are on the daily time frame. There's 7 hours left for this daily candle to close, okay? Are we going to close bullish, all right? Are we going to continue pushing on up to 2400? Very possible, all right? Let me look at the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hours looking like it's going to push up, okay? We definitely would have to break 23.19, 23 or 15 right around here, because if you notice, we have what? We got resistance, broke through that resistance, created support because we ranged right between this support and this resistance, broke through that support again, bounced off it, came back, right? Came back, retesting that previous resistance, then turned support, then broke through, and then came back to resistance. Push down, is holding, right? Now can we break through this level of resistance, right? Previous resistance, support, resistance. Can we break through and come back up to 2400 and break and close above 2400? All right, so that's what we're looking. All right, that's what we're looking at. Okay, so far we have a high, higher low. Can we break it to create that higher high that broke above this high to create the low to continue pushing on up? All right, that was something that we would be looking at. All right, like I said, takes time for it to play out, especially the weekends, which is very surprising because Vote is pushing strongly on a Saturday, man. On a Saturday, y'all. So shout out to all you Vote holders, man. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. Okay, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin obviously mirroring, Ethereum is mirroring Bitcoin, vice versa, however way you want to look at it, same way I explained it. All right, but we need that close above 44,400 in order to get that confirmation that we're going to continue pushing on up, guys. All right, next level I have marked up is 46,000. So right now, price is respecting this uptrend, okay? So let's see how far we can get it to go, man, all right? So once more candles get printed, if we can get a closure above 43,200, That would be nice, right? And then on to 44,400 and break and close above that, all right? So whenever you have a push, price eventually comes down. That's what we've seen with Bitcoin, right? We were all wondering, how far is Bitcoin gonna go, right? This is what I was just talking about with Vote Inu. How far can it push? For how many days before we see a pullback, okay? And it came back down to retest 40,000, all right? So far 40,000 has been holding, so it's been ranging between 40,000 and 44,400. All right, that is the range currently right now. Also, I am seeing an ascending triangle. Okay, boom. All right, so once we get a close above this, all right, we need a close above just something like this, similar right here. Okay, oop, hold on, sorry y'all. Either way, I have the settings. So pretty much, man, we just need to get somewhere out of here. The the pressure of this consolidation is getting smaller and smaller, as you can tell from the triangle here, right? So eventually we're going to see a pop. Wherever that pop happens at, which direction, more than likely well, we're so close to these two ranges right here, right, that it could possibly even come down here and then shoot back up, or it can, these are scenarios, right, different scenarios, okay, or it can just pop up out of here, reject, and then come back down. Okay, we don't know. It could just continue a range. We got to see how it closes above here, okay? So, guys, things are looking good. Let's look at the weekly. All right, the weekly still has a wick. We have a day and 8 hours for Bitcoin and Ethereum to close, okay? Let me go ahead and look at Ethereum real quick on the weekly. Same thing. All right, let me erase this. Ethereum is rejecting. It's giving us a wick rejection right in this area where it was, where it was support, okay? Support, broke through that support, came here where there was more wick rejection, right? All right. Now it came back down, retested that same box, the same box right here. Now, how are we going to close, and can we continue to push on up afterwards? All right. So more data, the more confirmations we can get, the clearer of a picture we can see. All right, y'all. Let's look at CoinMarketCap. Where are we sitting at? We are sitting at 1.62 trillion for the day, for the last day, 1.86% increase. Let's look at the watch list. 123 days to Bitcoin halving, y'all. All right. A lot of coins are on a pullback right now. It's normal. It happens. You can only push for so long before we have a pullback, okay? Well, Inu, though, was ranked around 700 and something just, what, a day or two ago? Now we're ranked at 575, guys, okay? Now, let me tell you something. The bigger exchanges, Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, they're all looking at what's happening with Volt right now. Look at this. It was sideways forever, right? And then now, boom, beautiful, man. Sitting at a 9.7 million 24-hour volume, 135% up for the week, 53% up for the last 24 hours, and it's up almost 4% for the hour. All right, looking very beautiful. All right, we got to see how this candle closes over here. So I will keep y'all updated as this goes, man. This is very exciting. If y'all enjoying my video, smash the like button. If you liked my video and this is your first time watching, or you are a returning viewer, smash the subscribe button. It's free. All right, it don't cost y'all nothing, and you enter in a giveaway, right? So, what is it to subscribe for free and get a chance to win some money, right? So, let's see what happens, guys. I will keep y'all posted. I might post tonight again. I might do 2 videos today. Let's see. Once I have more data, once I get more information throughout the day, I will decide and possibly post. And guys, let me see. Comment down below if you guys would enjoy a live video. All right, me going live and doing these technical analysis live and interacting with y'all live. Comment that down below, man. I can answer anybody's questions. All right, real quick, I'm gonna do a quick analysis on Pmpy, and I'm gonna leave it at that, y'all. All right. Also, I don't really speak about it. I am invested in Bob. Bob is looking very, 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 very nice. Okay, moving along with the market as well. Definitely. Let me close this here. I don't know if anybody's still in Bob. If any of y'all are holding Bob, comment down below. Okay, but also Bob is pushing, man. Look at this. All right, look at the 12. Let's go to the daily. All right, same thing. Look at that. It's damn near almost back. All right, to his highs. Okay, breaking all of these highs right now. All right, Bob has definitely came back for a comeback. Literally looking so beautiful, man. And I'm questioning how long is it gonna push for? Because right now it is at a level of resistance. So is it gonna close below this box along with these other coins? I mean, along with these other coins, along with this other rejection over here to the side. Okay, so we'd have to see something like this to kind of get confirmation for a pullback. On the higher time frame, we're due for a pullback. But on the weekly, man, look at that. Look at that reversal. Guys, shout out to y'all if y'all holding Bob. I'm excited. I am in Bob as well. Listen, man, people, I don't really speak on it. You know what I'm saying? This is one of those that I don't really put my, I don't talk about all the investments I'm in. But wow. All right. This guy is lost already. Since its breakout, it's lost 2 zeros. Was about to lose another 0. So very close to losing another 0. Bob is something else right now, man. But how far? How long? Can it break these highs? Can it continue pushing on up? Eventually, it's due for a pullback, man. So we shall see, y'all. Go ahead and do PMPY real quick. I believe PMPY is on a pullback, okay? And yeah, it's down 8%, okay? This is the weekly time frame for 1, 2, 3 on his 4th week of pushing up. All right, looking at the daily, looking like a double top. All right, guys, looking like a double top right here, rejecting this area right here. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. All right, I'm not excited about guys, by the way, I'm not excited that it's pulling back. All right, that in a bad way, that I'm not rooting for PMPY. No, I'm hoping that it pulls back down for me to back down to this level, so I can get me a discounted price, so I can go ahead and invest into PMPY myself, y'all. I want to get some of this money too, because sitting at a $10 million market cap with the potential that PMPY has, and from everything that I've researched, all the good stuff, I want to capitalize on this. You know what I'm saying? It's only at a 10 million market cap. All these people who were in it before it have made so much money. I want some of that money too. So I am waiting for a pullback so I can enter myself into a position, guys. So yeah, not that I'm hating on it. Preferably when it gets to the even round number of 1,000, that's where I'm looking to enter into PMPY. Not financial advice, right? But we are pulling back. But is it gonna hold one of these levels, 1,300 or 1,400, right? And then push on back up? We shall see. I will definitely keep y'all updated on that as well. So guys, this is a wrap for this video. I will possibly be doing another video later on tonight. It is the weekend. I don't work. So yeah, man, I'm excited. Smash the like button. Put them votes in the comments, man. Vote it up, man. Let's fucking vote. All right, y'all. Good times. This is time to make money, man. This is time to, if you missed the last bull run, this is your opportunity to capitalize and make hella money in this crypto run, right? Yeah, y'all. I'm blabbing too much. See you later. Hope everyone has a good weekend. Yeah, till next time. Peace.